Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is Today is 26th August 2021 and the day is Thursday. This is your science period. Open page number 11. Today we learn about what are respiration and exertion. Respiration. If you cover your mouth with your hands and breathe on them, your hands will feel warm. Your body gets the energy to warm your hands by using oxygen from the air you breathe in and sugar from the food you eat. So they say that when we cover our mouth with our hands and we breathe in, or we breathe in and breathe out, so what will happen, our hands will feel warm. Okay, so how your body gets energy to warm your hands by using oxygen from the air you breathe in and sugar from the food you eat. Water and carbon dioxide are produced. What's produced? It produces water and carbon dioxide. This process is known as respiration. This is a small example, okay, and through which you know that this is called respiration. Living things are use energy to grow, to repair the body and to move. So living thing, what living thing use? Living thing use energy to grow and repair the body and to move. Animals use different structures for breathing, such as noses in animals, gills in fishes, and air holes called spiracles in insects. Okay, animals, they also, human beings have nose to breathe for breathing, and some animals have nose. Fish breathe through its gills, and insects insects have holes, air holes in their bodies, so it's called spiracles in them. Same as it is, plants also breathe through tiny pores called stomata on the underside of their leaves. Unlike living things, non-living things do not breathe. Plants also breathe. They also can breathe. So they plants also breathe. So they breathe through tiny pores. If you see this picture, if we see the picture, they show you the leaf, and this is that there are tiny pores under the leaf. There are tiny pores, they are called stomata. Okay, underside of the leaf. See, it's written here, underside of their leaves there are tiny hole, that tiny pores, and it's called stomata. See, nose of humans breathe with their nose, and some animals also breathe their nose. Fish breathe with their gills. Insects breathe with spiracles. ठीक है, and plants breathe through stomata. Exertion. Living things produce waste material which are removed by passing them out of the body into the environment. This process is called exertion. Just see this picture. What is this? This is a kidney, okay, and this is the main organ of exertion. Carbon dioxide and water are waste material that are exerted as carbon dioxide and water vapors in the air we breathe out. Our body also produces other waste material that are exerted from our bodies together with water as urine and perspiration. In animals, the kidney are the main organs for exertion. In humans and animals both, they have a kidney is the important part. In animals, the kidney is the main organ for exertion. Okay. Perspiration is relaxed from the body through tiny pores in the skin. Perspiration is released from the body through tiny pores in the skin. Plants also remove waste material like water and carbon dioxide produced during respiration. They do this through in tiny pores called stomata, which are present on the underside of their leaves. Unlike living things, non-living things do not carry out exertion because they do not produce waste material. Only living things have exertion, carry out exertion, but non-living things do not produce or do not carry out exertion, and they, because they do not produce any waste material. Only living things carry out exertion. Okay, how living things reproduce. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to their young. Plants reproduce by producing seeds that develop into a new plant. Okay, animals produce by laying eggs. Some animals lays egg and some animals give the birth of babies. And plants reproduce. How they reproduce? How plants reproduce through seeds. Okay, and through seeds they develop into a new plant. In a seed there is a new plant inside it. Thus, reproduction is the process of producing young from its parent. Some youngs resemble their adult parents, while some young look different from their adult parents of at the beginning. Some youngs are same as their parents; they are very resemble with their parents, and some are not. But most of them are resemble. Okay. See the picture. Human give birth to the babies. Some animals reproduce many young at a time. A new plant develop from a seed. Some plants do not produce seeds. Now we have a question. Some plants do not do not produce seeds. These plants give rise to new plants through a process called stem cutting. This process is called stem cutting. In a stem they produce a new plant. It's called stem cutting. Now see the fascinating fact. Humans usually produce only one baby at a time. However, sometimes two or more babies are born at the same time. Two babies born together to the same mother are called twins, and they look different or identical. Some twins are look same, or twins look different. Okay. For today till here. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.